What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. And before we go any further in this video, make sure you guys go visit Immortal Society. You know what I'm saying? Go visit Immortal Society. My website is down below in the description. It's the first link down below this video. Make sure you guys go order something right now, because I'm gonna tell you right now, I do have a little special. The first 3 next customers that order anything from the website will be getting a nice discount on the whole order. So make sure you guys go do that. So let's see if whoever's the lucky person to get this discount. So the discount starts from right now. So starting today till tomorrow, the first 3 customers that order anything from the website, no matter what it is, you will receive a discount. So as this video drops, is already going to be going on. So I do want to thank every one of you guys for supporting me. The website is just growing. We are always busy. I'm always shipping out orders. It's just very overwhelming, but such a blessing, and I'm excited for that. Also, this video that you guys are watching is basically from yesterday. It was all over the place. Yesterday was like not expected for none of the stuff that was going on yesterday. So the video is going to be all over the place, but yeah, you guys catch the drift. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support. We're almost at 5K. That is a milestone from 1,000. So I definitely appreciate you guys so much for all the support. And like I said, make sure you guys go visit immortalsociety.net. We basically sell a lot of stuff for Hondas and 350Zs, and I'm still trying to put other car stuff on there as well, as far as like muscle cars and all this stuff. So we're going to slowly get more stuff in it. But if you guys have a Honda or a 350Z, you guys really want some bust down stuff that you can't really get out there, make sure you guys go visit my website. Now it's time for you guys to watch this video. It's all over the place. Let's go. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. Today we are at High Rev Garage. Today Yui is working on the bro's car, his Infiniti G37. He's getting the stalling intakes installed on his car. And look at these whips right here. The Hell Keezy, baby, red eye. You already know, kitty car right there. Make sure you guys go follow High Rev Garage. You know what I'm saying? You know, let me show you this. For y'all non-believers. Woo. Type S right here, man. And that's the damn commuter. Then he got the beast right here. Woo-wee. So yeah. But yeah, so bro's getting his car worked on right now. Make sure you guys go follow High Rev Garage. And
clamps now. I think that's gonna go to the intake. Save that.
So he got the Stallion. What's it called? Stallion? Stallion? Yeah, I got the Stallion intake right here. That shit. These are dope.
Yeah, haircut, babe? And the baby's a haircut?
They're shedding a lot. Maybe a back.
This thing. I love this paint job. This paint. Hey, this paint go hard, bro. I like this paint.
I'm finna get a wrap too.
Are you alright? What color you gonna do?
I'm finna do the C-sided.
Oh, the black and red, right?
Nope.
Oh no, purple.
Matte purple and matte black.
Remember Cruz's car last night?
Yeah. Oh, like that. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's
That matte dark purple.
that's gonna be wet. That's gonna be wet. Woo. What's?
Then I'm gonna dip the rims too. I'm gonna
Yep.
have two-sided too.
Hell yeah, do that shit. That shit. This shit gonna be fucking icy. Damn. This is wet. This is sick.
Just keep an eye on it. It's gonna trip me out.
Was it probably cause like
That's
a
supposed to
wire
be
was
like
on
that.
it or something?
Huh?
Is it cause like a wire was on it or something?
I love their little
It's a
personalities.
sign of like being burned. Like I don't know how to explain it. Just over time.
Make
know,
sure
when
you
you
guys
put,
go
like,
follow,
fucking
subscribe
on
to
the
High
pan
Rev
and the oil's
Garage.
clear and then it's all of a sudden being hella burnt and nasty.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, bro, just looking at this. Like, oh, damn. good. There should be a small hose for this one. How many hoses it come with?
Wait a minute, did they give you all them tools?
Yeah. He spent hella, bro. He ain't fucking around. What do they expect me to do this one? Maybe double top the tube? It's fucking good. You know?
Oh, it probably gotta be.
They cut something here. See it? Photo 6. Install the straight coupler lower end of the tube using a sampled clamp. The tube using a sample step coupler clamp. Tube. Use a pair of 5.
You spending the night out here or you leaving tonight?
No, I'm staying tonight.
That's good. Tomorrow we could hoop.
Yeah, I got you.
And Jeremiah said he'll be able to come out tomorrow.
Let's go, Playboy. Drives around, rubber on this BMW. Oh shit, cop right there. The cop's over there. Today we are about to do something different. Right now we're just chilling, me, my bro Zion, and his best friend G. We were just driving through our little area just to have fun, get some video footage of us driving our cars and stuff. Yeah, so there's nothing else to really do. It's hella boring, so we're gonna do this and just have some fun. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're new, click subscribe. If you're an OG subscriber, click that like. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. This car drives so fucking good. All right, so y'all, we are at a location. We got my little bro Zion, the homie G, pulled up in his BMW. Hey G, what BMW you got? 355? 335? Okay. So G came with his G35i? G35i?
No, 335.
Oh,
Yeah.
his 335i BMW, super sick. He came out here to spend time with us, and we're just driving around. Right now, I brought the Teggy out. The 350Z started tripping with the connection, so on Wednesday, I will be taking this car, and I'm going to be taking the 350Z to Mike at High Rack Garage. Basically, with 350Z, we're going to find out exactly what is causing the shortage, and also, look at my baby right here. You know, I got to represent High Rev Garage, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, with this car, this Wednesday coming up, we are definitely about to get the car lowered. I'm excited. The car is going to be super slam. So a lot of y'all been asking me, when are y'all going to get lower? When are you going to get lower? When are you going to get lower? When are you going to get lower? So we are getting lower this Wednesday. I hope you guys are excited just the way I am. We over here taking nice photos. It looks super sick over here. This is a dope ass area to come take photos. And yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving my baby. And also, I do have another surprise that we're gonna do with this car. With this car, I'm gonna be putting on my bumper lip, and then we're gonna put this aero kick right back on the car. So it's about to get epic. It's about to be dope. I can't wait, man. And I'm excited, man. I'm really, really excited. There's so much potential for this car, and the car looks so good. Look at my bro right there. Man, look at this area where I just found out we should take photos at, bro. This is like so fucking beautiful. I can't wait till I get my car clear coat painted, taken care of, and then the car's gonna look so much better. But just check out this area, the view. Man, this is beautiful. Hey, Zon, come over here. This view is beautiful. Man. Look at my nigga Zon, man. Little dreads getting long, finally nigga hair growing. But look at the camera, like the view. That's what I'm saying. So we get everybody lined up a certain way.